fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Good afternoon, basketball fans, and nandito tayo live sa ADNU University Gymnasium para sa Bucal Season 5. Ako si David Joshua Bernales ang makakasama nyo sa pag-commentate ng matchup between the NCF Tigers versus the UNC Greyhounds. And ayan na nga mga kaibigan, makikita natin dito sa ating gymnasium na ang both teams is nagwa-warm up na sa preparation ng kanilang games. And syempre, Season 5 won't be possible with our sponsors, Havaianas, Bigs, Elise Sportswear, and One Media TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV would like to thank the Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions, Gold Glufa Construction, Lemon Residences, Lemon Experience Home Living, Anjana Trading, presyong maaasahan sa kalidad na mapagkakatiwalaan. BMEG Premium, sa totoong premium feeds, mabilis na ang paglaki, mabilis pa ang kita. NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings. Mangkok's Kinalas. Converge ICT Solution, Pilipinas Shell, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Nagayon Live Your Dreams, Create Memories. NCF V Gallery and Museum, Julia Outdoor Advertising and Printing. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsor. Syempre, Bucal won't be possible without your help. And syempre, shout out sa ating mga live viewers dito sa ating venue and sa ating mga Facebook pages. And mga kaibigan, to give us an update on the side of our UNC Greyhounds, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Rain, ano ang balita dyan?
Good afternoon, Bears! We are back here at ADNU University Gymnasium featuring the very last game of the elimination round this Bucal Season 5. The University of Nueva Cáceres Greyhounds versus the NCF Tigers. I am Rain Reyes and I will be your courtside reporter on the side of the Greyhounds. According to their team captain, Andre Legaspi, they have been struggling to communicate with each other throughout their trainings. But despite this, they are focused on fixing their transitions. There were also adjustments in their rotation and defense because they are complete today. But of course, this is the Greyhounds still ready and determined to win today's match. Kaya naman abangan natin kung anong mangyayari sa larong ito only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48 Naga. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Side of the Greyhounds. And yun na nga naman talaga mga kaibigan. No? Communication is key dito sa basketball as it is a team sport. Na kailangan ng mga players sa ating hardcourt na mag-work as a single cell para sila ay magkaroon ng successful plays dito. Lalong-lalo na as UNC will be battling against the defending champions, which is the NCF Tigers. And yun mga kaibigan, nakikita natin sa ating screens ay ang defending champions natin, ang ating NCF Tigers, warming up and preparing to defend their crown. And syempre mga kaibigan, to give us an update naman on the side of the Tigers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Kyla, ano ang balita dyan?
Good afternoon, David, and to all the basketball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV48-Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the last week of the elimination round for this season. I am Kyla Gasulia, all the way from the home of the champion, the NCF Tigers. For their game today against the Greyhounds, the adjustments of the Tigers are their lapses during their last game. They focus on their defense and they also focus on their set plays against their opponent. According to team captain Maliapre, as the quarterfinals approach, the pressure is always there. But he continuously reminds the team to always focus and stick on their system and mantra. For this game, he reminds the team to always step up, perform their role, and play wholeheartedly with a pride as the Tigers. Ayan muna ang update sa side ng Tigers. Balik sa'yo, David.
Kyla, for that update on the side of the Tigers. And syempre nga mga kaibigan, no, magandang communication is key para sa matchup na ito, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga defending champions, the NCF Tigers. And just in a few moments mga kaibigan, magsisimula na ang ating ball game dito. Kaya tutok lang kayo sa ating mga Facebook pages. And kung may time kayo mga kaibigan, you can also watch our ball games live dito sa loob ng ADNU Naga University Gymnasium. Pero yan mga kaibigan, we will just take a short commercial break and magbabalik na tayo to start the matchup.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
And we are back live mga kaibigan sa loob ng ADNU University Gymnasium. And a matchup between the NCF Tigers versus the UNC Greyhounds. Maya-maya lang mga kaibigan, mag-uumpisa na ang ating matchup. Final words of encouragement from both coaches sa ating teams dito to prepare them mentally dito sa ating matchup. Two founding schools of the Bucal Universities and Colleges Athletic League are going to battle it out to end our elimination matches sa season na ito. Ayan, makikita natin ang NCF Tigers with Coach Momo preparing them, telling them kung ano ang mga final adjustments na kailangan nilang gawin dito sa matchup. Ganon din sa ating mga Greyhounds. Final words of preparation from the coaches. And ayan na nga mga kaibigan, the buzzer has sound. First five ng both teams. And syempre, we would like to thank our sponsors again. The Tigers Cafe located at NCF Main and NCF Annex. NCF Indoor Firing Range, first world-class indoor firing range in Bucal Region. SM City Naga, NCF Training Pool, NCF Driving School, Han Shabu Shabu Buffet Restaurant. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors. And ayan, mga kaibigan, kung naririnig nyo ang hiyawan dito sa loob ng ating gymnasium, the fans of the Greyhounds and the fans of our defending champions, the Tigers, giving it their all, showing their support para sa kanilang mga teams. And syempre, mga kaibigan, sa mga nanonood sa inyo sa loob ng ating mga Facebook pages, don't forget to comment and cheer for your teams para ma-inspire silang lahat dito. And ayan, makikita natin ang first five ng both teams as we start this ball game. Masinas and Calo and Sarmiento will jump the ball to start this tip-in. And then mga kaibigan, get ready for this matchup. Ball possession will go to the Tigers. Mr. Finals MVP will inbound the ball here. Sablaon gets that inbound pass. Heavily guarded by the Greyhounds. Passes it to his teammate. Miscommunication there. That's a steal. Pass break ngayon ng Greyhounds. Counter steal by the Tigers. Number 17 now with the ball, going all the way. That's a bump and a foul called by the referee. That's going to be a foul called on number 7, Garcia. Sablaon now will inbound the ball here with 16 seconds on the shot clock. Inside pass to Palahe to get that first points para sa Tigers. UNC now controlling the ball. Kalo with the ball, passes it to the corner. Number 7 with the ball, back to Kalo. Goes inside, passes it to the outside. Number 7 passes to Kalo. To number 15, Sarmiento. That's a swipe. Almost a steal there. Number 18 scrambled for that loose ball, and that goes out of bounds. And CF ball. Masinas gets that inbound pass. Passes it to his teammate, number 17. Fires a 3. That's good! 3-pointer para sa Tigers. 5-0 run dito early in the first quarter. Kalo with the ball para sa Greyhounds. Passes it to his teammate. Loses the ball. That's a steal. Ariate goes all the way. Lays it up. This time no good. Great recovery there by number 17, but it goes out of bounds. Last touch here by the Greyhounds. Ball possession dito. And Tigers with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Sablaon, naghahanap ng mapapasan. Gets to number 17. Fires another 3. It's still good. 2 for 2, number 17. An 8-0 run here by the Tigers. Smoking hot on the 3-point line. Loose ball here, still in the possession of the Greyhounds. Greyhounds dito, they need to make something here to stop the drought. That's going to be a foul call by the referee. I think that's going to be a foul called on Sablaon. And then mga kaibigan, sa ating mga nanonood sa live, don't forget to like and share our stream para mas marami ang makapagpanood at sumuporta sa ating Bucal Season 5. Narvate now inbounding the ball, passes it to his teammate, almost losing it. Kalo passes to the weak side, number 18, thought about that 3, passes to his teammate, pump fake, stop and pop from the mid-range, in and out. That's gonna be a rebound secured by Masinas. Ariate dito, humingi ng screen. Ariate setting the play here para sa kanyang team. Passes it to Palahe. Palahe now with the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 17 fires another 3. This time no good. Offensive rebound Palahe. Pump fakes. Attempts no good. And a whistle by the referee signaling the possession to the Greyhounds. Kalo with the ball. 7 minutes, 37 seconds remaining sa ating quarter. That's a 3-pointer. It's good. It's in. Number 18, first points of the Greyhounds. Ariate now with the ball, controlling the play para sa Tigers here. Kalo heavily guarding the point guard of the Tigers. Passes it to Palaya. Whistle by the referee. That's going to be a foul called on number 7, Garcia. Substitution here para sa Greyhounds. Garcia will go out. Papasok dito si Soriao. Sablaon, quick trigger 3, no good. Offensive rebound, Masinas fires a mid-range, no good. Sarmiento securing that rebound para sa Greyhounds. Number 18 with the ball dito. Passes it to Narvate. Narvate inside pass to Sarmiento. That's 2. That's good. 5-0 run dito para sa Greyhounds and a whistle by the referee. That's gonna be a foul called on Narvate. There's gonna be 4 team fouls on the side of the Greyhounds. 2 team fouls dito para sa Tigers. Sablawan gets that inbound pass from the finals MVP, Ariate. Sablawan, gandang screen ni Masinas, 3-pointer. That's short pero may offensive rebound. Ariate, pump fake, Palahe, mid-range jumper, no good. Pass break dito ang Greyhounds, number 11, Kalo. Using the board for that 2-pointer, and just like that, Tigers only have a 1-point lead. Masinas with the ball, goes all the way. Fakes, passes it to the outside. Palahe fires that open 3-pointer. And a whistle by the referee. Sa missed shot there ni Palahe. Ball possession dito ngayon ng Greyhounds. And I think the referees will review kung ano yung play na nangyari kanina. 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. 1-point lead ang hawak ng ating Tigers. And ayan na nga mga kaibigan, no? A loose ball foul was called by the referee kanina against number 17. And I think that's gonna be a foul called on number 17 ng ating Tigers. Montalvo. Free throws dito ngayon ay mabibigay sa ating Greyhounds. Shooting his free throws, Legaspi. First shot is good, and that ties the ball game here. Second shot to put the Greyhounds in the lead. That's good. 2 for 2 here, Legaspi. Substitution, Malyapre will go in. Montalvo will go out para sa Tigers dito. Ball possession pa rin mga kaibigan ng Greyhounds. Soriao to inbound the ball. Naghahanap ng mapapasaan. Gets to Narvate. Narvate with that 3-pointer. No good. Ball possession. Mapupunta sa Tigers. Beautiful plays here shown by the Greyhounds as they bounce back here from an 8-0 run by the Tigers. That's going to be a turnover for the side of the Tigers here as they inbound the ball. Ball possession dito ngayon ng Greyhounds with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Whistle by the referee dito mga kaibigan. That's gonna be a foul called on Palahe. Loose ball foul again for the Tigers. It's gonna be 4 team fouls on the Tigers here. Narvate to inbound the ball. Gets to Sarmiento. Sarmiento fires a 3-pointer. Doesn't go in. Sablaon with that rebound. Securing that ball. Mga kaibigan. Malyapre now, the team captain of the Tigers with the ball. Passes it to Mr. Finals MVP, Ariate, crossing over his defender, Kalo, trying to lose his defender here. Ariate goes inside, passes to Sablaon. That's a beautiful floater for 2. And Xavier leads by 1, 5 minutes, 36 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. That's gonna be an untimely turnover para sa Greyhounds. And that's gonna be a timeout called by the Tigers. 10-9 ang ating score mga kaibigan. 5 minutes, 32 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Magbabalik ang Bucal Season 5. We are back live mga kaibigan sa loob ng ADNU University Gymnasium as the Tigers here called a timeout to sort some things out and make some adjustments sa kanilang play dito sa ating first quarter. Full court defense here by the Greyhounds. Sablaon with that ball. Penetrates, lays it up, no good. Gandang attempt sana yon by Sablaon, pero may offensive rebound dito by Palahe. Malyapre trying to set a play here. 10 seconds to shoot. Malyapre passes to Sablaon. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Fires that three-pointer. That's good! Three-pointer by Sablaon, smothered by that defense. Doesn't matter as he gets that three-pointer in. Greyhounds ngayon with the ball. Ano ang magiging sagot nila dito? Soriao. Hihingi siya ng screen. Passes to the corner. And a whistle by the referee. That's going to be a foul on number 7, Ariate. Greyhounds will be awarded 2 shots dito. Palay will go out. Papasok dito si Gabito. First shot here by Soriao. That's good. Second shot here. No good. 1 for 2 from the field. Soriao. Tigers ngayon on the offense. Sablaon with the ball. Goes inside, stripped away. That's a steal by the Greyhounds. Fast break sila dito. Soriao trying to break away from that double team. That's a steal by Sablaon. Lays it up. That's good. Another 2-pointer there by the Tigers. Bachancela ngayon may dala ng bola para sa Greyhounds. Passes it to Calo. Calo losing his defender here. Steps back. 3-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound. Bachancela fires that 3-pointer from the corner. No good. Offensive rebound. Tigers. Legaspi. No good. 2 offensive rebounds with no make para sa Greyhounds dito. Tigers ngayon on the offense. Masinas a long 3-pointer. No good. Tigers with an offensive rebound. Malyapre with the ball. Stops and pops from the mid-range. No good. Greyhounds ball dito. That's going to be a double foul on number 21 and number 24 ng UNC. And ng NCF. Barreto and Masinas. 3 minutes, 43 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. UNC with the ball here. Calo passes it to his teammate Soriao. Soriao heavily guarded by Malyapre. Passes it to Breto. Breto to the corner. Bachancela, extra pass, mid-range jumper, Breto, no good. But a foul is called here on Malyapre. Two shots rewarded here to Breto. On the line here is Breto. First shot. That's good. Second shot here by Breto. That's good. 2 for 2 from the line, Breto. 3-point lead na lang mga kaibigan ng hawak na lamang ng Tigers dito. Substitution para sa Tigers. Laresma papasok para sa Tigers. Bachancela to inbound the ball with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Intercepted there by Laresma. Another inbound play para sa Greyhounds dito. Bachancela finds Soriao with 10 seconds on the shot clock here. Heavily guarded by Laresma. Finds Bachancela with 5 seconds on the shot clock. Goes inside. Extra pass to Soriao. Attempts. No good. But a foul is called here by the referee. That's going to be a foul called on Montalvo. Two shots rewarded here para kay Soriao. Calo will go out para sa Greyhounds. Papasok dito si Valera. One half of the Valera twins is inside the hard court mga kaibigan for the Greyhounds. Katamora papasok din dito. Papalitan niya si Sablaon. Soriao will shoot his first free throw. That's good. Second shot by Soriao. No good. Offensive rebound dito Sarmiento pero ball goes out of loose ball there. Katamora secures that ball and a whistle by the referee. It's going to be a foul called on Soriao. First shot here by Laresma is good. Second shot, no good. Sarmiento securing the ball para sa Greyhounds. Valera to Bachancela. Guarded by Laresma here. Bachancela. Sarmiento, balik sa kanya ang bola. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Loses it. That's a steal by Guades. Almost a steal there by Soriao. Laresma securing that ball. Passes to Guades again. Extra pass. Miscommunication there. Ball possession is still on the Tigers. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Guades naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Gets to Katamora. Quick trigger three. That's good! 3-pointer there by Katamora. Valera now with the ball. That's a loose ball mga kaibigan. Another turnover on the side of the Greyhounds. Katamora to Laresma. Laresma going inside, spinning, lays it up, that's good. And a timeout is called here by the Greyhounds. 13-21 ang ating score mga kaibigan. Bucal, Season 5 will be right back. Back to the ball game tayo dito mga kaibigan. Greyhounds called for a timeout dito to make some adjustments on the play. sa ating first quarter. 2 minutes, 10 seconds remaining. Ball possession dito ng Greyhounds. Valera will inbound the ball. Valera passes it to Soriao. Soriao to Sarmiento. That's a steal. Guades. A steal ulit para kay Soriao. Easy, unguarded layup there by Sarmiento for that 2-pointer. 6-point lead by the Tigers. Guades loses his defender. Intercepted there by Soriao. Catamora gets that ball. Hanap na mapapasan. Gets to Guabito. Guades with that layup. That's good. Valera ngayon with the ball. Passes to Bachancela. Bachancela losing his defenders. Fires a 3-pointer. No good. Guabito securing that rebound. Setting the play, Guades para sa Tigers. Guades intercepted. That's a steal by Sarmiento. Fast break dito ang Greyhounds. That's a steal by Laresma. Catamora with the ball, guarded by Bachancela. Laresma gonna control the play para sa Tigers dito. And that's gonna be a turnover para sa side ng Tigers. Valera to Soriao. Soriao passes to the corner. Bachancela. Step back. Passes. Breto mid-range. That's good. 2-pointer para kay Breto. 30 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Guades with the ball. Setting the play. Naghahanap ng mapapasaan. Gets to the Gabito. Gabito going all the way. Lays it up. That's a block. Offensive rebound, Laresma, and another block by the Greyhounds. Gabito gets that loose ball attempt, no good. Into the head of Soriao, goes out of bounds. Ball possession dito para sa Tigers. Shot clock is off, 9 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Guades will inbound the ball. Gets to Laresma, 3-pointer, no good. Offensive rebound, Guades, balik kay Laresma. No good pa rin sa kanyang 3-pointer. And that is the end of the first quarter, mga kaibigan. Mainit na first quarter ang pinakita ng both teams. 23-17 ang ating score. Don't go anywhere. Magbabalik ang Bucal Season 5. Back live mga kaibigan dito sa ADNU University Gymnasium para sa second quarter ng matchup between the NCF Tigers and the UNC Greyhounds. Steal here by Valera. Passes it to his teammate, goes out of bounds. Ball possession ulit dito ng Greyhounds. Breto with the ball, passes to Bachancela. Bachancela loses his defender, mid-range jumper, no good. Rebound there by Katamora, pero a whistle there by the referee signaling a traveling violation. Traveling is better with Nagayon Traveling Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories. Substitution para sa side ng Tigers, Ariate will go inside, lalabas si Guades. Fernandez papasok para sa Tigers, lalabas dito sila Resma. Narvate to inbound the ball, passes to Valera, quick trigger 3, that's good! 3-pointer by Valera. Closing the gap para sa Greyhounds dito, 20-23. Ang ating score, only a 3-point lead by the Tigers. Ariate crossing over, ankle breaking Valera dito. Both twins ng Valera is inside the hardcourt. Mid-range jumper by Gabito, no good. Valera with the ball here. Gets that rebound. Fast break sila dito. Nagmamadali Valera to the corner. Breto, 3-pointer, no good. Fernandez with the ball. Passes to the corner. Katamora, 3-pointer of their own. No good. Offensive rebound, Gabito. Passes to Fernandez. 3-pointer, no good. Valera with the ball here. 3-pointer, no good para kay Valera. Ariate gets that rebound. Ariate loses that ball into the hands of Breto. That's going to be an out of bounds. And to give us a report on the side of the Greyhounds, tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Rain, ano ang balita dyan?
Thank you, Burns. The Greyhounds were instructed to start with a full-court man defense to be physical but in the right way. If dribble drive will not work, always adjust and focus on the opponent they are dealing with inside the court. Those are the reminders Coach Miggy told them before entering the game that was later on changed on the first quarter timeout to half-court man defense. The play will not be effective if hindi nyo papatamahin ang screen, dagdag niya pa. But despite of these reminders, the Greyhounds does not manage to have this quarter. But not all stories are the same, kaya abangan natin if they will be able to end the next quarter with a different ending only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's it for now. Back to you, Burns.
Ayan, maraming salamat, Rain, for that update on the side of the Greyhounds. Napakaganda nga ang depensa ang pinapakita dito ng ating mga Greyhounds. And only a 3-point lead para dito sa ating Tigers, mga kaibigan. Valera now with the ball. Pero bago yan, tawagin rin natin ang ating courtside reporter from the side of the Tigers na si Kyla. Kyla, ano ang update dyan?
Thank you, David. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. For this quarter, they are reminded to lessen their turnovers, and they are also reminded to have a good ball rotation for this quarter. Coaches reminds them to maintain their team effort, lessen their pressure, and stay on their composure. They need to double their effort, especially in good and strong offense and defense for this game. Yan muna ang update for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat, Kyla, for that update on the side of the Tigers. And another 3-pointer there by Valera. Kani-kanina lang, mga kaibigan, habang nagsisimula ang report ni Kyla, 3-pointer, a tying 3-pointer by Valera. And another 3-pointer ulit to take the lead here sa ating second quarter. Ngayon, Ariate with the ball, passes to the corner. A 3-pointer para sa Tigers, masyadong malakas yung attempt na yon. Valera with the ball here. Andrew Valera with the ball, trying to lose his defender. Passes to Breto. Breto to Sarmiento, goes inside, lays it up. That's goal plus a foul. And a chance for a 3-point play. Flexing dito ngayon si Sarmiento. UNC has the momentum here. 7 minutes and 1 second remaining. And a quick shoutout tayo dito. Shoutout kay Yasmin Paraiso from Rolly Villadares. Maraming salamat po sa panunood ng ating Bucal Season 5. And another shoutout sa aking girlfriend, si Iris Ignacio Oresca, na nanonood dito sa loob ng ADNU University Gymnasium. 3-point play doesn't go to plan para kay Sarmiento. Ariate with that bump. Plus a 2-pointer and a chance for a 3-point play. Gandang play yon para makabawi sa side ng Tigers. Courtesy of the Finals MVP, Mr. Ariate. Time out here called by the Tigers, 25-28. Only a 3-point lead by the Greyhounds dito mga kaibigan. Magbabalik kami. We are live again mga kaibigan sa ADNU University Gymnasium. As the NCF Tigers called for a timeout dito to make some adjustments. Almost 3 minutes have elapsed dito sa ating first half. 7 minutes remaining dito. Ariate will try to complete the 3-point play sa napakagandang 2-pointer na pinakita niya kanina. And he completes the 3-point play dito. Valera ngayon may dala ng bola para sa Greyhounds into the hands of Calo. Calo crosses over his defender, kicks it outside. Breto with the ball. Gandang step back dito for that long 2-pointer. No good. And a whistle by the referee. It's gonna be a foul called on Narvate. Sablaon passes it to Ariate. Ariate to Sablaon, guarded by Narvate dito. Sablaon passes it to Palahe. Palahe naghanap ng papapasaan. 7 seconds on shot clock. Goes inside. Gets that 2-pointer plus a foul. Another chance for a 3-point play para sa Tigers dito. Slowly reducing the gap para sa Tigers. Palahe now with his bonus free throw. Does not complete the 3-point play. Ball possession mapupunta para sa Greyhounds. Calo ngayon with the ball. Passes it. Sarmiento! Napakagandang 2-pointer there. Heavily guarded by that defender pero naipasok pa rin yung 2-pointer. Ariate guarded by Valera. A whistle here. There's gonna be a foul called on Valera. Evan Valera. Ariate now inbounding the ball. Naghanap ng papapasaan. Gets to the corner. Number 16. Thought about that 3-pointer. Intercepted pass. Nakuha ulit dito ni Malyapre. Spins. Pump fake. Floater. No good. Offensive rebound here para sa Tigers. That's good. Napakagandang offense pinapakita dito ng Tigers with that floater by Brito. Valera with the ball. Hanap siya dito ng screen. Gets a screen from Legaspi. Almost losing that ball there. Narvate inside pass to Calo. That's a block by Palae. Tigers now controlling the play. We are deadlock at 30. Sablaon, step back 3-pointer. In and out. Rebound secured by Valera. Valera passes it to Calo. Lays it up. No good sa kanyang attempt dito pero may foul na nakitang referee. 2 shots dito para kay Calo and a chance to take the lead again para sa Greyhounds. First shot, no good para kay Calo. Second shot is good. Quick substitution para sa side ng Tigers. Fernandez papasok. Lalabas muna si Malyapre dito. Sablaon now with the ball. Inside pass. Almost intercepted by Valera. Arriate gets that ball with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Arriate. And a whistle by the referee. Ball possession pa rin dito ng Tigers with 4 seconds on the shot clock. Substitution para sa Valera Twins. Lalabas si Evan, papasok si Andrew. Arriate with his free throws. First shot is good. Deadlock again dito sa first attempt ni Arriate, and just like that, NCF regains the lead here. 4 minutes, 45 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Valera ngayon heavily guarded by Arriate. Passes it to Narvate. Narvate now with the ball. Passes to the corner, Legaspi. Steps back, fires. That's a strong three-pointer. Doesn't go in. Sablawan to Palahe. Palahe goes inside. That's gonna be a traveling violation, mga kaibigan. Traveling is better with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories. Greyhounds now with the ball. Full court man-to-man defense ang pinapakita dito ng Greyhounds. Ng NCF Tigers. Legaspi passes it to Calo. Calo, reverse layup. Does not go in. Arriate with the ball here. Passes to Sablaon. Sablaon with the ball, trying to lose his defender here. Valera loses him. Goes inside. Lays it up. No good. Fast break dito. Open for the layup. Calo. Easy two-pointer para sa Greyhounds. And they regain the lead here. 33-32. Maramihang lead changes dito sa ating second quarter. Arriate with the ball. Passes it to the inside. Fernandez loses it. And that's going to be Tigers ball. Greyhounds ball. Valera ngayon nagdadala ng bola para sa Greyhounds. Goes inside, stops, passes to Calo. Calo mid-range. In and out, no good. Rebound secured by Palahe. Arriate ngayon with the ball. Fast-paced movement dito para sa Tigers. Arriate lays it up, no good, pero may foul. 2 points. 2 shots dito sa free throw line para kay Arriate. Penalty situation na dito, mga kaibigan, ng Greyhounds. First shot there by Palahe. By Arriate is good. Tie ball game here, mga kaibigan. A chance to take the lead para sa Tigers sa second attempt dito ni Arriate. No good. Offensive rebound. Palahe, that's a block by Breto. Beautiful block there. Swatted away yung attempt there ni Palahe. Tigers with the ball. Fernandez, quick trigger three. No good. Gaspi secures that rebound. Intercepted pass by the Tigers into the hands of Sablaon. Bang! Three-pointer para kay Sablaon. And a timeout called here by the Greyhounds. 36-33 mga kaibigan ang score. Huwag kayong bibitiw. Magbabalik ang Bucal Season 5. We are back live mga kaibigan dito sa ADNU University Gymnasium. Time called by the Greyhounds dito on that 3-pointer by Sablaon. Napakagandang matchup ang pinapakita ng parehong kupunan dito. Pero yan, back to the ball game tayo. Greyhounds now on the offense. Valera with the ball. Passes it to Calo. Calo goes inside, passes it to the corner. A 3-pointer. No good. Whistle by the referee. That's gonna be a foul called on number 11, Calo. Substitution dito, lalabas si Calo, papasok si Bachancela. 2 shots will be awarded para kay Brito ng Tigers. Penalty. First shot here. That's good. Umabante na ng bahagya dito mga kaibigan ng Tigers with a 4-point lead. Another shot here by Brito. That's good. 2 minutes, 41 seconds remaining mga kaibigan sa ating first half. Valera almost losing that ball. Passes it to Bachancela. Intercepted by Sablaon. Lays it up. That's good. 2-pointer ulit para kay Sablaon. Greyhounds now with the ball. Bachancela, naghanap ng mapapasaan. Gets to Sarmiento. And a hard foul there by Palahe. It's gonna be another foul called on him. Ball possession sa Greyhounds. Bachancela. Full court defense here by the Tigers. Sarmiento with the ball. Ganap na mapapasaan. That's gonna be a traveling violation mga kaibigan. And Nagayon Traveling Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories. Napakagandang traveling violation yun. Lalong-lalo na kung kayo ay mag-a-avail sa Nagayon Traveling Tours. Ariate now passes it to his teammate. Sablaon with the ball here. Inside pass there. Sablaon masyadong malakas. It's gonna be a turnover on the side of the Tigers. Greyhounds with the ball here. Full court man-to-man defense pa rin ang pinapakita dito ng Tigers. Legaspi with the ball. Legaspi. Inside pass. Intercepted by Palahe. Now Brito with the fast break. Passes it to Sablaon. Thought about that 3-pointer. Trying to lose his defender here. And a foul called here by the referee. That's going to be a foul called on Bachancela. Penalty. 2 shots here. NCF holding a 7-point lead mga kaibigan. First shot here by Brito is good. Rebound here by Valera. Pass break siya dito. Narvato with the ball here. Hanap ng mapapasahan. Gets to Bachancela with 10 seconds on shot clock. Bachancela heavily guarded by the Tigers. Napakagandang pasa there by Narvate for that 2-pointer by Sarmiento. Slowly bouncing back dito mga kaibigan ng Greyhounds. Ariate with the ball. 3-pointer. No good. Rebound by Bachancela. Gets to Legaspi. Legaspi ngayon. Passes to Bachancela. To Sarmiento. Floater. No good. Ariate secures that rebound. Half-court pass. Masyadong malakas. That's gonna be another turnover para sa side of the Tigers. Less than a minute remaining para sa ating first half mga kaibigan. Still, the Tigers hold the lead here. Valera with the ball. Hanap siya ng screen dito. Trying to break away from Ariate. Valera fires a 3. No good. Sabla on with that rebound. Into the hands of Brito. Brito to his teammate. Inside pass. Mid-range jumper. No good. Ariate offensive rebound. Pump fake. Using the board for that 2-pointer. Shot clock is off. 16 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Bachancela with the ball. 8 seconds. Ganang na mababasahan guest to Sarmiento. To Bachancela, 3-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound, Narvate. No good sa kanyang attempt. And that's it for our first half, mga kaibigan. 43-35 ang ating score dito. Mainit na first half, mga kaibigan, ang pinakita ng parehong kupunan dito. Pero magbabalik kami para sa halftime break. And I'll see you later para sa ating third quarter.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
hanggang BMEG Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! BMEG! Bilis kita!
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
And we are back live dito sa loob ng ADNU University Gymnasium, mga kaibigan, sa resumption ng ating basketball game. NCF Tigers here with the possession to start off this third quarter. Ariate, mid-range jumper, no good. UNC ngayon with the ball here. Bante with the ball, passes it to Valera. 10 seconds remaining here sa ating shot clock. 15. 7 seconds remaining. Sarmiento, mid-range, that's good. Sablawan with the ball. Passes to Ariate. Passes it to Masinas, mid-range, no good. Rebound here by Barreto. Half-court pass here. Valera to the corner, three-pointer, no good. Offensive rebound, Sarmiento. That's a foul. It's gonna be a foul called on Sablaon. And mga kaibigan, to give us a halftime report para sa side ng Greyhounds. Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Rain?
Thank you, Burns. The players were reminded to remain in half-court defense, dribble, drive, and then take the time to execute the plays instructed to them. The Greyhounds have been exerting effort and determination throughout this match, but not enough for them to win the first half. Sabi nga ni Coach, they may not have the height, pero wag tayong papayag na ganun na lang. Go hard! Kayang-kayang natin to as their coach fiercely added. Always take advantage whenever the opponent makes an error. At huwag magpapaiwan sa score. Let's not end this elimination with another loss. Kulang pa, pero kaya pa. Ayon nga kay Coach Mickey, kaya naman folks, patuloy na nating subaybayan sila. Bilog pa din ang bola. That's it for now. Back to you, Burns.
Ayan, maraming salamat Rain for that update on the side of the Greyhounds. Napakagandang advice and play ang pinakita dito ng coach ng Greyhounds here. Half-court defense para sa Greyhounds dito to give pressure para sa ating mga Tigers. Pero, yan nga, beautiful block there shown before that play kanina mga kaibigan. And to give us an update naman on the side of the Tigers, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla.
Thank you, David. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup. During the huddle, they are reminded to lessen their pressure so that they can execute properly their game system for this game. For this quarter, they need to put more pressure on their opponent that will lead to their continuous execution of their game plan. They are reminded by Coach Momo to maximize their advantage, especially their height and size for this game. Be patient and always use their good mindset inside the court. Yan muna for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kyla for that update on the side of the Tigers. Ball possession dito mga kaibigan on the side of the Greyhounds for that mid-range jumper by Breto. Tigers now on the offense. Masinas passes to Palahe into the hands of Sablaon. Sablaon to Ariate. Guarded by Taugan. Screenplay here. Ariate goes inside. Pump fakes. Passes it to Sablaon for that two-pointer. Valera ngayon for the Greyhounds. Passes it to Mande. Intercepted by Palahe dito. Goes out of bounds. Ball possession. Mapupunta dito para sa Greyhounds. Substitution. Mga kaibigan para sa Tigers. Ariate and Fernandez lalabas muna. Malyapre and Guades papasok para sa Tigers. Mande to Valera. Valera to Sarmiento. Thought about that three-pointer. Back to Valera. Valera, long three-pointer. Swatted away by Malyapre. Ball possession goes to the Tigers. Malyapre with the ball. Lays it out. That's good. Easy two-pointer para sa Tigers dito. And tatawag mga kaibigan ng timeout ang UNC Greyhounds. 6 minutes 53 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. 47-39 ang score. Mga kaibigan, magbabalik ang Bucal Season 5. We are back live mga kaibigan. Ulit dito sa ating hard court. UNC Greyhounds tumawag dito ng timeout to make some adjustments sa kanilang play. Tigers dito slowly breaking away with the lead here. Pero mahaba-haba pa ang larong ito mga kaibigan. There's still a chance here for the Greyhounds. Pero hype na hype ang ating mga viewers on the side of the Tigers. Pero back to the ball game tayo dito. Taugan with the ball. Loses it. That's a steal by Guades. Juarez to the corner, Sablaon. No good sa kanyang 3-pointer. That goes out of bounds. Ball possession dito ng Tigers. $14 seconds on the shot clock here. 14 seconds to make a play para sa Tigers. Sablaon. 2-pointer, no good. Pero may foul na nakita ang referee. 2 shots ngayon para kay Sablaon. Chance to extend the lead here para sa Tigers to double digits. Para sa attempt ni Sablaon dito. First shot is good. Second shot is good para kay Sablaon. 10-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng Tigers. Mande with the ball. Loses it and that's gonna be a turnover para sa side ng Greyhounds. Substitution dito, papasok si Calo. Sablaon with the ball. Passes to Masina sa 3-pointer. No good. Ball possession, mapupunta sa Greyhounds. Calo to the corner. Legaspi thought about that 3-pointer. Passes it to Calo for a 3-pointer. No good. Rebound secured by Masinas. Palae passes it to Malyapre. Malyapre layup, no good. And another foul called here by the referee. That's going to be a foul called on Calo. First shot is good para kay Malyapre. Second shot, no good. Put back there by Palayo goes in. Soria with the ball here. Passes it to Valera. Valera nagana naman mapapasan. Gets to Soriao. Soriao with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Almost a steal here by the Tigers. Legaspi a floater. That's good. 2 points. Masinas to Palahe. Palahe to the corner. Guades goes inside. Ball possession. Mapupunta ulit sa Tigers. 8 seconds on the shot clock here. Guades will inbound the ball. Passes to Masinas. Masinas to Sablaon. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Sablaon a 3-pointer. No good. Rebound secured by Calo. Fast break dito ang Greyhounds. Legaspi loses the ball. That's a steal by Guades. And a foul called here by the referee. It's going to be a foul called on Legaspi. Substitution ng para side ng Tigers. Ariate will go inside. Malyapre with the ball here. Malyapre naghanap ng papapasahan. Gets to Palahe. Into the hands of Masinas. Masinas to Sablaon. 3-pointer. Bang! Sablaon, a 3-pointer. Valera ngayon with the ball, goes all the way, lays it up, no good. Pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. 2 shots here para kay Valera. Third personal foul called here on Palahe. First shot by Valera is good. Second shot, no good. Ball intercepted there pero mapupunta pa rin sa Tigers ang bola. Substitution para sa side ng Greyhounds dito. Sablaon gets that inbound pass. Malyapre. Inside pass to Ariate. Ariate bullying his way inside. Passes to the outside. Masinas a three-pointer. 4 minutes remaining dito sa ating third quarter. 58-42 mga kaibigan ang score. NCF breaking away dito sa kanilang ball lead. Layup there, no good para kay Breto. Sablaon, fast break. Extra pass to Ariate for that easy two-pointer. And tatawag ulit ng timeout dito ang Greyhounds with 3 minutes and 37 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Mga kaibigan, don't go anywhere. Magbabalik ang Bucal Season 5. Balik aksyon tayo dito sa loob ng ADNU-Naga University Gymnasium para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating third quarter. 60-42 ang ating score mga kaibigan. Sitting pretty with an 18-point lead ang ating Tigers dito. Proving how dominant the defending champions are. Pero Bachancela with the ball here. Extra pass intercepted by the Tigers. Montalvo going all the way for that layup for 2 points. Heavily guarded there by Narvate, but it doesn't matter. Valera ngayon with the ball, passes to Narvate. Narvate into the hands of Bachancela. Bachancela ngayon, heavily guarded by Malyapre. 10 seconds to shoot here. Foul called by the referee. That's going to be a foul call on Ariate. So 20-point lead ang hawak dito ngayon ng Greyhounds, ng ating Tigers. Narvate 3-pointer, no good. Montalvo with the ball. Passes it to Sablaon. Sablaon with 10 seconds on the shot clock. 3-pointer, no good. Rebound secured by Soriao. Bachancela with the ball here. Into the hands of Valera. Valera goes inside. Fadeaway floater, no good. Offensive rebound, Tigers. Greyhounds, no good pa rin. Offensive rebound, Narvate, wala pa rin. Another one. Tries again. This time, wala pa rin, mga kaibigan. Struggling to put the ball inside here is the Greyhounds. Laresma ngayon para sa Tigers. Laresma passes to the outside. Montalvo 3, no good. Rebound secured by Soriao. Bachancela to Breto. Masyadong malakas yung pass. That's gonna be a turnover. Sablon, lalabas muna dito. Brito papasok para sa Tigers. Laresma with the ball here, heavily guarded by Valera. Successful steal there by Valera. 3-on-2 fast break. Valera 3-pointer. No good. Valyapre to Brito. Brito intercepted there. Almost losing the ball. That's a steal by Bachancela. Fast break ulit dito ang Greyhounds. Bachancela. Layup. That's good. Napakaswabe naman ng layup na yon by Bachancela. There's gonna be a foul called on Masinas. Substitution dito para sa ating Tigers. Masinas now gets his third personal foul. Narvate with the ball here. Goes inside. Gandang spin move. No good sa kanyang attempt here. Laresma with the ball. Going out of bounds. Ball possession dito ng Tigers. Brito with the ball. Whistle called here by the referee. It's going to be a foul called on Narvate. Substitution dito para sa side ng Greyhounds. Penalty dito para sa side ng Tigers. Gabito with his first attempt. That's good. Second shot is good. One minute remaining time sa ating third quarter. Bachancela going all the way. Lays it up. No good. Fast break dito ngayon ng Tigers. Brito passes. Lays it up. That's good. Laresma with that two-pointer. Breto with the ball. Passes to Soriao. Soriao. Foul called here on Malyapre. Third personal foul here para kay Malyapre. Two shots para kay Soriao. First attempt, no good. Second attempt, no good pa rin. Katamora with that rebound. Passes it to Laresma. Montalvo, balik kay Laresma ang bola. Seven seconds on the shot clock. Laresma at long three-pointer is good. What a shot there by Laresma. Bachancela ngayon with the ball. Shot clock is off. That's a steal by Brito. Brito. And that's gonna be the end of our third quarter. 69-44. Napakagandang run dito by the Tigers, mga kaibigan. Magbabalik po kami para sa fourth quarter. Ayan mga kaibigan, we are back live dito sa loob ng ADNU-Naga University Gymnasium para sa fourth and final quarter ng matchup between the UNC Greyhounds and the NCF Tigers. Quick shoutout tayo dito mga kaibigan. Shoutout kay Kyle Santiago na nanonood sa ating Bucal Facebook page. Shoutout sa iyo kaibigan. And ayan na, ball possession mapupunta sa Greyhounds dito. Calo with the ball. Inside pass. Sarmiento balik kay Calo. Calo going inside. Reverse layup. No good. Offensive rebound Soriao. Soriao again. Passes. Calo mid-range. That's good. And ayan mga kaibigan. To give us an update on the side of the Tigers, tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Kyla, ano ang balita dyan?
Thank you, David. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup. The momentum continues on the side of the NCF Tigers. They maintain the lead for this game. For the last quarter of this matchup, the Tigers continues on putting extra pressure on their opponent to maintain the lead and secure their third win for this season. Their good performance and determination to get this game has been a significant factor in building this lead. Coaches reminds them to stay focused, be patient, and be consistent because it will lead to a sure win today. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Kyla, for that update on the side of the Tigers. And ayun nga mga kaibigan, napakaganda talaga ang performance na pinapakita dito ng ating mga Tigers. Moving up to this very massive lead. Montalvo a 3-pointer. That's short. Napakaganda ang performance na pinapakita dito ng both teams. Pero bahagyang nakakalamang dito ang ating mga Tigers with the performance that they've been giving out dito. Pero let's get an update rin mga kaibigan on the side of the Greyhounds. Tawagin natin si Rain. Rain!
Hello, Burns. Implement half-court man defense and learn how to fix screens and adjust. Those are the repeatedly reminders coach have been telling the players. Their offense strategy, dribble, drive ang laging pinapaalala sa kanila. It needs to be implemented correctly with a strategic spacing and quick ball movement. The third quarter has ended still in favor of the Tigers because the Greyhounds are still struggling to keep up with their opponent's momentum. But will they be able to turn the tables in the next quarter? Let's watch and see. Yan muna sa ngayon. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Rain for that update on the side of the Greyhounds. Pero let's go back into the hard court. Got a beautiful putback there by Sablaon for that 2-pointer. 8 minutes mga kaibigan remaining time sa ating ball game. Lamang na lamang pa rin dito ang ating Tigers. Mid-range jumper here by Kala is good. Katamora to Ariate. 21 points ang kalamangang hawak dito ng Tigers. Foul call by the referee. It's gonna be a foul called on Valera. 2 shots ngayon para kay Ariate. That's good para kay Ariate. Substitution dito para sa side ng Greyhounds. And a substitution din for the side of the Tigers. Kala with the ball here para sa Greyhounds. Passes it to Breto. Breto with the ball going inside. Floater, no good. Pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. It's gonna be a foul called on number 31, Gabito. Substitution para sa Tigers. First shot, no good para kay Breto. Second shot is good. Ariate with the ball. Stops and pass for 2. No good. Offensive rebound. Ariate. Put back is good. Another 2-pointer para sa Tigers dito. Galo with the ball. Passes to Sarmiento. Sarmiento naghanap ng mapapasahan. Post up. Fadeaway jumper. No good. Offensive rebound. Soriao. Soriao to the outside. Galo. To the corner. Soriao. Pump fake. Layup. That's a block there by Maliapre. Garcia, 3-pointer, no good. Sablaon secures that rebound. Ariate with the ball. Stops, passes to Maliapre. Maliapre fakes, spins. Extra pass, Sablaon. Sablaon to the outside. Masinas a 3, no good. Offensive rebound, Maliapre. Passes to the corner, Montalvo. Montalvo goes inside. Fadeaway jumper, that's good! 2-pointer here para kay Montalvo. Breto open for that layup, that's good. Gandang 2-pointer there for the side of the Greyhounds from that broken defense by the Tigers. Ariate with the ball. Passes it to Sablaon. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Long 3-pointer. No good. Ball possession. Mapupunta pa rin sa side ng Tigers. Timeout called here by the Tigers. 77-53 ang ating score, mga kaibigan. Bucal Season 5 will be right back. Back to the ball game tayo dito, mga kaibigan. NCF still with a dominant run here. 24-point lead. 5 minutes 38 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. Ball possession nila dito. Intercepted inbound pass. Ball possession mapupunta pa rin sa Tigers. Masinas with the ball. Passes to Maliapre. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Maliapre stops. Mid-range jumper. No good. NCF ball. Ball possession mapupunta dito para sa ating Greyhounds. Kala with the ball here. Extra pass to Breto. Breto reverse layup. That's good. 2-pointer para sa Greyhounds. Foul called here by the referee. Villapre with the ball here. Floater, no good. Rebound here by Breto. Open for the layup. Garcia for that two-pointer. Balik sa 20 ang kalamangan dito ng Tigers. UNC slowly getting back in this ball game. Arriate with the ball here. Step back three-pointer. That's good. (80-47) mga kaibigan ang ating score. UNC with the ball here. And that's going to be a backcourt violation. An untimely turnover here para sa side ng ating Greyhounds. Substitution para sa side ng Tigers. Arriate gets to Masinas here. Into the hands of Arriate ulit. Arriate passes it to Palahe. Palahe posting up inside. That's a block by Breto again. Fast break dito ngayon. Ang Greyhounds almost stolen away by Sablaon, but it goes out of bounds. Valera gets that inbound pass. Corner pass here to Garcia. Garcia into the hands of Sarmiento. Sarmiento to Narvate. Goes inside. Narvate lays it up. That's good. Plus a foul. And a chance for a three-point play. And he completes the three-point play mga kaibigan. 60-80 ang ating score. 3 minutes 35 seconds remaining in this ball game. Sablaon with the ball, goes inside, lays it up, it's good, plus a foul. Chance for a three-point play. Complete the three-point play. That's good para kay Sablaon. Valera ngayon on the offense. Trigger three. That's good para kay Valera. Arriate with the ball here. Spins. Fakes. Attempts. That's go. Two-pointer. Valera with the ball. Three-pointer. This time no good para kay Valera. Offensive rebound para sa Greyhounds. Breto floater. That's good. Villapre with the ball. Passes to Arriate. Arriate posting up his defender. Lays it up. That's good. Plus another foul. And a chance for another three-point play para sa Tigers. But Chancela here on the offense para sa Greyhounds. Hanap siya ng mapapasahan. Goes inside instead. Floater, no good. Last 2 minutes in this ball game, mga kaibigan. Ariate breaking away from his defender. Goes inside, lays it up, no good. Pero may 2 shots siya dito. Labas muna dito ang isa sa mga players ng ating Tigers. Papasok si Fernandez. First shot here by Ariate is good. Second shot no good para kay Ariate. On an offensive rebound para sa kanya. Passes to the outside. Fernandez with the ball. Goes inside. Lays it up, in and out, no good. Garcia to Bachancela for that 2-pointer. Timeout. NCF Tigers, 88-67 ang ating score, mga kaibigan. 1 minute 34 seconds remaining. Huwag yung BBTO, magbabalik po ang Bucal Season 5. Back to the ball game tayo dito, mga kaibigan. Tigers now on the offense. Malyapre with the ball. Inside pass to Fernandez. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Fade away 2-pointer, no good. Calo to Bachancela. Bachancela spins, pump fake, extra pass to Sarmiento. Lays it up, that's good. Tigers now on the offense. Sablaon to Palahe. Miscommunication here. And that's going to be a turnover. Greyhounds now with the ball. Inbound pass successful to Garcia. Bachancela with the ball. Intercepted pass there by Palahe. Sablaon, Liam, no good. Two shots here para kay Sablaon. Less than a minute remaining, mga kaibigan, sa ating ball game. The final matchup, the final elimination matchups para sa ating regular season ng Bucal. And I think NCF Tigers here are sitting pretty with a 20-point lead. And a successful free throw there by Sablaon is good. Timeout called here by the Greyhounds. UNC has consumed all of their timeouts here. Then, mga kaibigan, don't forget to like and share our stream para mas marami ang makapagpanood ng ating mga basketball games. And syempre, mga kaibigan, inaanyayaan ko kayong manood para sa mga laro na magaganap bukas dito sa loob ng ADNU Naga University Gymnasium. And kung may oras kayo, pwede rin naman kayong manood dito sa ating venue. Pero syempre, pasalamatan din natin ang ating mga sponsors. Bigs, Elise Sportswear, and sa Havaianas. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo. And a quick shoutout tayo dito mga kaibigan. Shoutout kay Miss Kaugma 2023, Miss Iris Ignacio Oresca, na nanonood dito sa ating venue. And syempre, siya rin ang ating Bigs Ambassador. So don't forget, mga kaibigan. Pero let's go back in this ball game. But Chancela passes it to Sarmiento. Sarmiento, double team there. Passes to the outside, Brito. No good. Offensive rebound, but Chancela to the corner. Narvate, that's a short three-pointer. And a killing time here are the Tigers. Ariate with the ball. Malyapre. Two-pointer, that's good. And I think that's it mga kaibigan. Greyhounds dribbling the ball here. And that's the end of the ball game. Final score 90-69 winner. The NCF Tigers. Grabe, napakagandang performance dito ang pinakita ng both teams. Pero isa lang mga kaibigan ang mananaig dito. And yan yung NCF Tigers. Don't go anywhere mga kaibigan. Magbabalik tayo to present our best player of the game.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big. the home of the champion, and the Tigers shows an exemplary performance, and they are back to the quarter-final round with the Mies jersey number 7 with 23 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists, and 1 steal. He is none other than Medwin Don Ariate. Ayan! Medwin, congratulations! How does it feel na ikaw ang best player of the game for today's game against the Greyhounds?
Sobrang thankful po kay God. Sobrang thankful kasi binigay sa amin tong panalo. And yung mga pinaghirapan namin, parang ito pa lang yung simula. Kaya yun, sobrang thankful lang po.
At dahil nakita ko din kung gaano mo ginalingan for this game, ano ba yung personal preparations mo na nakatulong sa'yo for this game?
Simula po kasi kagabi, nag-mindset na ako, nag-focus na ako para sa larong ito kasi mas win po talaga to kasi di na namin makukuha yung number 1 eh. So doon na lang kami sa number 2 spot and mas pag-iigihan pa namin ngayong paparating na playoffs.
At dahil malapit na ang quarter-final round, ang tanong, handa ka na ba at handa na ba ang team? Ano ba ang aabangan namin sa Tigers for the quarter-final round?
Ready na po kami. Sa tingin ko, mas gutom na tigre po ang yung makikita and mas hustle, mas masipag and yung puso po sa laro, di po yun maniniwala and ay di po yun mawawala and yung attitude. Siyempre yung discipline po, yun lang po.
At dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batiin mo na mga gusto mong batiin.
Binabati ko po yung family ko dun sa Pioduran, sa Top Support, sa buong NCF community, kay Pres Mario, sa family nila. Sobrang thankful po sa mga teammates ko, sa juniors, and sa buong NCF community po. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
There you have it, Medwin Don Arate of NCF Tigers. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulia. Balik sa iyo, David.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kayla and congratulations kay Mr. Finals MVP Medwin Ariate securing a 23.5 rebound, 3 assist and 1 steal game dito sa kanilang final game sa elimination round ng Bucal Season 5. And ayun nga mga kaibigan, nakita rin natin kung gaano kagaling yung pinakitang team performance ng ating mga Tigers. Bukas mga kaibigan, magbalik kayo at tumutok ulit dito sa Bucal Season 5 for more matchups as we end this regular season. Ako, ang inyong nakasama, ang analyst and commentator David Joshua Bernales. And hanggang sa muli mga kaibigan, paalam.